Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Git LFS installed for data projects, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Git LFS, first, open your command line interface. If you're using Windows, you can use Command Prompt or Git Bash. On Mac OS, open the terminal application. For Linux users, access your preferred terminal. Next, type the command to check the Git LFS installation status. Input Git LFS version and press enter. This command will confirm if Git LFS is currently installed on your system. To uninstall Git LFS, first, you'll need to ensure it's not in use. Check for any running Git LFS processes or ongoing operations. If you find any, terminate them before proceeding. Now, to uninstall, proceed with the command specific to your operating system. For Windows, type Git LFS uninstall and hit enter. This command will remove the LFS integration from your Git configurations. On macOS or Linux, also use Git LFS uninstall and press enter. After the uninstallation command, you should also remove any remaining Git LFS files. To fully clean it up, locate the directory where Git LFS was installed. On Windows, this is typically found in a C:\program files\Git LFS. Delete the folder manually to ensure all components are removed. On macOS or Linux, if installed via a package manager, use the respective package manager to remove it. For homebrew users, type brew uninstall Git LFS and hit enter. For those using apt on Debian-based systems, type sudo apt remove Git LFS and press enter. Once uninstallation is complete, check your Git configurations. Type git config list to verify if any LFS settings remain. If you spot any lingering Git LFS configurations, you can remove them. Use the command git config global unset lfs.url to remove unwanted settings. Now, Git LFS should be fully uninstalled from your system. Finally, you can verify the uninstallation by rerunning Git LFS version. You should see a message indicating that Git LFS is not recognized or installed. Congratulations, you have successfully uninstalled Git LFS from your data projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.